Makerspace is not just making something innovative using the technologies, but also shaping up the personalities who are going to finally give up the solutions to our real day-to-day problems. It's very basic. We start with the basics from grade 1. They have learned how to program a small robot. So programming is a very big word if I talk about. So the level of teaching is kept in a way that they should not be puzzled or they should not get confused with the things. They are thinking about it. If I want my robot to go from one place to the other, then how many steps my robot should take? So the grade 1 or 2 student is in actual applying the logical thinking skills and then finding out the way how it can be moved. Just drag and drop programming is shown on the desktop and they are following the method and finally designing their own aquariums in which they can see some fishes and octopus and swimmers going on all around. It's absolutely safe. We are focusing on that if we are introducing a technology, it should not harm our students. They are learning how to design circuits. Again, circuits is something they have not even introduced to what it is. But they are designing and learning how in actual circuits work. Like if they see a light circuit or a fan circuit, how it actually works. That is being taught to them by using a snap circuit kit. They use a breadboard, they use connectors, batteries, the basic components which are really required for a circuit. So if they connect it all together by following some instructions and then they can actually see the working of it. We have introduced how 2D and 3D is different. So introducing this particular concept, we have used a 3D doodling pen. They just started with it just by drawing something or writing their names or drawing any particular pattern and then checking it out how 2-dimensional things and 3-dimensional things are different. So we are teaching them this particular concept using a 3D printer. The technology of 3D printing is going to help them out to actually print their imagination. They are designing their own designs just by using a software and then giving the command to the 3D printer to actually print their imagination. We are focusing on that they should have a team to work with because when they are going to grow up, they are going to go for jobs outside. Obviously, they will have a team to work with. So the teamwork, how a team should work together, how leadership skills can be enhanced. So all these things are always kept in mind when they are coming to the Makerspace.
We learn how to move the star and the octopus and then we create a story out of it. And learning how we can use technology in a good use. Yes, I enjoy designing technology.